Do you remember those old-fashioned microscopes you had to press your eyes right up against eyepiece? And right now, microscopes have entered the eyepiece-free era. However, for researchers, complex operations still exist. Complex process and cumbersome operations slow down research efficiency. So, we choose a different path, which is streamlining process to allow research to focus on exploration itself. We hope that microscopes will not longer be a barrier, but rather an accelerator of efficiency. So, we start to simplify the design. Place the slide on the stage, select the magnification, focus with one touch, and observe directly. And this is our first generation fluorescence microscope 0. It features a rotatable 4K screen with sharp and clear imaging. One touch switching between bright field and fluorescence modes. Features like Z-stack layer scanning, convergence analysis, and fluorescence image integration. All built in. Every essential function is. Next, we've introduced the more compact apparatus, Flea-n. The entire weight's just about 13.7 kg and supports a full touchscreen operation. Just a gentle touch, both confluence and Z-stack results can be generated automatically. Then, we introduced X Ultra, a more powerful model. Fully integrated automated workflow powered by AI-driven analysis, capable of scanning 296 or 324 well plates at once, or even 8 slides. From large-scale image staging, time-lapse photography, and 2-dimension deconvolution to 3-dimension image synthesis. It can practically handle the entire experimental process for you. From 0 to Flea, then to X Ultra, we remain focused on one goal. It is about scientific research to return to exploration itself rather than the operational aspects. Stick by to constraints and embrace the new era of frameless technology. This is the answer of RIDET.